welcome back to your maths class. We are continuing our mensuration chapter from cone and cylinder. Okay, let's do combined solid. Let's continue. We have done before also. We have discussed about formula of total surface area, curved surface area, and volume. Now here in this question, you can see the question in your screen. Question number 19. The base area of the cylinder is 100 centimeter square and the height of the cylinder is 3 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is given. Base area means area of circle is given. If the volume of the whole solid is 500 centimeter cube, we have to find the height of the solid. It means total height we have to find. For that, height of the cone is required. Height of cylinder is given 3 centimeter only. Area of base is given 100 centimeter square. Area of base means area of circle, so pi r square is given 100 centimeter square. So r square equals to 100 into pi means 22 by 7, which comes here then 7 by 22. So 700 divided by 22 is 31.82 is r square. So from here r will be root under this, root under 5.64 centimeter is radius. Now total volume is given here. Volume of whole solid. Volume of solid is given 500 centimeter cube. What is the formula of volume of this solid? Volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Two figures are there, the sum of these two. 500 centimeter cube. Height is given, area of base is given. From here you can get radius. After getting radius, total volume is given 500. Now from here you have to find the height of the solid. For that, first of all, let's find the height of the cone. What is the formula of volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square x. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi r square x equals to 500 centimeter cube. But here, height of the cone, let it be h1, and height of the cylinder, let it be h2. This is, let it be h2 height of the cylinder. 1 by 3, 22 by 7, r square is 31.82, h1 is unknown, plus here 22 by 7, r square is 31.82 into h2 is height of the cylinder, which is 3, equals to 500. Now let's find here 22 into 22 into 31.82 divided by 21, 33.02 h1. Now here 22 into 31.82 into 3 divided by 7, 300 equals to 500 centimeter cube. For 300.0 something you will get, no need to do that. Your 33.22 will get 32. 31.82 into 22 divided by 21. Now from your 33 point we can write 33 h1 equals to 500 minus 300, 200. So h1 equals to 200 divided by 33.33. 200 divided by 33.33 so we get 6.000 something, so 6 centimeter only we can write. So what is the total height? Actually you have to find the height of the solid. Total height of solid equals to height of the cone, which is 6 centimeter, and height of the cylinder, which is 3 centimeter. 9 centimeter is the height of the given solid. Next question. You can see the question number 20 in your screen. Read out the question. The curved surface area of given figure is 4686 centimeter square. You have to find common radius, means radius of this circular part. Okay, where in figure you can see slant height is 29 centimeter. First of all, you will list out the given, and then what do you have to find, and then process. First of all, first given part, like here slant height is given L 29 centimeter. Next, curved surface area 4686 centimeter square. And what do you have to find? What do you have to find? Radius you have to find. And now you can use formula of CSA. What is the formula of CSA? For CSA of cone, CSA of hemisphere. CSA of given solid is CSA of cone. Don't get confused the full form of CSA, curved surface area. CSA of cone plus CSA of which figure is there? Lower part? Hemisphere. Now CSA of cone. What is the formula of CSA of cone? Pi RL. CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square, and this part is given 4686. Pi is 22/7, r is unknown 29 to 22/7 r square, which is unknown. 4686 equals to now 22 into 29 divided by 7. Let's do one thing. From here 22/7 common, 22/7 common, 29r plus 44r square. Now we can take this side. So 4686 into 7/22 equals to 44r square plus 29r. How much will be there? 4686 into 7 divided by 22. It is 1491 equals to 44r square 29r. 44r square, this 29r. Now let's take this side, so minus 1491 equals to 0. Now is there any common? 2 pi r here, from here pi common, so 22/7 will take, so this 2 will go here, 2 only, 2r square will be left. 2r square plus 29r, this is 2 and this is also 2. Now when we multiply we have to 1491 into 2, 2982. 2r square here 29. When we subtract 29, when we multiply 2982. Let's find it. 2 into 3 into 7 into 71. So 71 to the 71 into 2, something like minus 21 also will not be there. So multiply this, 7 into 3 into 2 minus 71. So 71 42. 71 minus 42. 2r square plus 71r minus 42r minus 1491 equals to 0. From here r common, so what will be left? 2r plus 71. From here what is common? 42. Then 21 will be taken common. 21 2s r minus plus 71 into 21 1 equals to 0. Now 2r plus 71 r minus 21 equals to 0. So from here 2r plus 71 equals to 0, r is equals to minus 71 by 2. From here r minus 21 equals to 0, r is equals to 21, but it is negative, so we reject it. Therefore required radius is 21 centimeter. 21. Volume of the given solid object is 38808. Volume is given 38,808, where height of the cone is given 36. Height of cone, let it be h1, 36 centimeter. Next, height of cylinder, let it be h2, 240 centimeter. Now you have to find radius. For that, volume is given there. Total volume of solid is given 38808 centimeter cube. What is the formula volume of this? You have to find volume of cone and then volume of cylinder, which is given 38,808. What is the formula volume of cone? We can use 1 by 3 pi r square h 1 here pi r square h 38808. Now from these two, pi and pi can be taken common. 1 by 3 r square h1 means height of the cone, which is given 36, plus this pi also gone outside, r square not given, h let it be h2, height of the cylinder 240 equals to 38808. So 36 by 3 how much? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 12 r square 240 r square. Now this pi means pi will come here, then 7 by 22, because it is 22 by 7. When we take another side, its reciprocal will go there. 12 plus 24 how much? Sorry, 240. It must be 240. 240 r square. 240 r square plus 12 is 252 r square equals to, now solve it, 38808 into 7 divided by 21, sorry 22, 12348. R square equals to 12348 divided by 252. R square is equals to 49. So from here r is equals to 7. Therefore common radius is 7 centimeter. Radius of base we have got. This is the answer of first question. Now in second, what do you have to find? See here. We have to find volume of cone. What is the formula volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, 22 by 7, r square is 49. And what is the height of the cone? 36. 3 12s are, so 22 into 49 into 12 divided by 7. 1848 centimeter cube is the volume of cone. Here volume of cone plus volume of cylinder is total volume. Use the formula volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, volume of cylinder pi r square h, and this total. Now pi common. Now solve for r. After getting the value of r, we can find volume of cone. And then we will stop today's class, and from next class we will be learning other geometrical bodies. You can see here at this in your screen, you can see question number 22. If the water filled in a cone is poured into the cylinder, water is here, from this we fill this water into this cylindrical tank. At what height will be the surface of water reach in the cylinder? Now whatever capacity of the water filled in this cone, from here we can find volume. Now volume of this cone is equal to volume of this water, now which it will be inside of this cylinder. You have to find height of this cylinder, up to which level water is here. Okay, now first of all we have to list the given information, where radius for cone and cylinder also given same here. If it is given same, we can use same, otherwise we can use different also, no problem. Height of cone 10 centimeter. Now you have to find the height of this, so you will find the volume of water level here, and the volume of water level is equals to volume of cone, because water is poured from cone. So let's find the volume of water, which is volume of cone, because water is there in cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 22 by 7 12 square, and height of the cone is 10. Now you can calculate 22 into 154 into 10 divided by 21, 1508.57 centimeter cube. Now volume of water is this. Now it is poured into cylinder. What is the radius of cylinder? Equals to same 12 centimeter. Height you have to find. You have to find height. It may water can raise up to here or filled total. It is not given. So we have to just find height will be the surface water. So height of the water level in cylinder you have to find. Okay, so volume of water here is volume of cylinder, because when you put this water, it will also form cylinder, because water does not have fixed shape. So wherever you put, it will take the same shape. And it is pi r square h. Volume is volume of water. We have got 1508.57. 1508.57. This is 22 by 7 into 12 square. Height we have to find. Now this we will take this side into 7. When we multiply these two, it will be 10560. 22 into 144 into h. 10560 divided by 22 into 144. 3168. 10560 divided by this will be h is equals to 3.33 centimeter. So the height of water level is 3.33 centimeter. Okay, this is not the height, total height, water from here up to where this water will reach, the height of the water level only we are finding this. Okay, when the height, if the height of these two are same, then it is one third only, so it will be down 3.3 centimeter. Now similarly you can find next in question number B.